Yo, what's up, gamers? Imagine a place buzzing with energy, lights flashing, music pumping, screens everywhere you look. That's a gaming event. Thousands of passionate gamers come together. They try out the newest games in tech. The atmosphere is electric. You can feel the excitement in the air. Everyone is hyped about gaming. You see incredible gaming setups. They have the most powerful hardware. It makes you want to build your own dream PC. Building your own gaming PC is an awesome adventure. First, we need to choose our weapons, the PC components. We're talking about the brain, the CPU, the muscle, the graphics card, and the memory, the RAM. Choosing the right parts can be overwhelming. But don't worry, we'll take it slow. We want a CPU that can handle the latest games, a powerful graphics card for stunning visuals, and enough RAM for smooth gameplay. It's all about finding the perfect balance for your budget. Time to build. This is where the magic happens. We open up our case, our battle station's foundation. Carefully, we place each component. The motherboard, the central nervous system, goes in first. Then we add the CPU, applying thermal paste for optimal cooling. Next we install the RAM sticks, clicking them into place. Then comes the mighty graphics card, slotting it into the PCIe lane. Finally, we connect all the power cables. We're almost there. Section 4, powering up. This is the moment of truth.
We double-check all the connections, fingers crossed.
We hit the power button, fans whir to life, lights illuminate, and the monitor flickers on. Now we install the operating system and drivers. This process can take a bit of time, but hang in there. We're in the home stretch. S4, Media Group. BIOS screen on a gaming monitor, successful BIOS setup screen added stock, added distribute _ equally, the BIOS screen greets us. Success! Section 5, game on! We did it! Our ultimate gaming beast is alive!
The moment we've all been waiting for, launching our favorite game. The graphics are breathtaking, the gameplay buttery smooth.
We're blown away by the performance of our creation.
Building a gaming PC is an incredibly rewarding experience. It's like creating your own personalized gaming world.
So what are you waiting for? Dive in and unleash your inner tech wizard.